ticketed and confirmed on Southwest Flight 3150 going to Denver. Please make your way down to gate 26 to board your aircraft.
Attention to these terminals, Southwest Airlines flight number 2806 with service to Nashville began the boarding process at gate 27. For all the connected passengers on flight number 2806 with service to Nashville, please make your way to gate 27 and follow the boarding process.